Welcome to the stunning modern 5-bedroom Maisonette, a masterpiece of contemporary architecture where luxury meets functionality. As you step through the grand entrance, you're greeted by a spacious and inviting foyer, leading into an open-plan living and dining area, perfect for entertaining and family gatherings. At the ground floor level, we have a well-appointed guest bedroom, complete with an ensuite bathroom, ensuring comfort and privacy for visitors. Moving up to the first floor, we find the heart of this home, the master suite. The master bedroom space boasts a walk-in closet, a luxurious ensuite bathroom, and access to a private balcony, offering breathtaking views. Also on this level are 3 additional ensuite bedrooms, each designed with ample space, large windows for natural lighting, and modern finishes. For ultimate privacy, the 5th bedroom is situated on the 2nd floor, an ideal retreat for guests or even a home office setup. Finally, this home is crowned with a spectacular rooftop terrace, a perfect spot for relaxation or entertaining under the open sky. This 5-bedroom Maisonette is more than just a house. It's a statement of elegance, comfort, and modern living. This stunning home could be yours. If you'd like to learn more, schedule a viewing, or discuss pricing, don't hesitate to reach out. Contact us today through the details provided. We'd be delighted to assist you in making this dream home a reality.